Hey guys! In today's video we are going to learn how to assign a string and print it. Let us include our header files iostream.h and conio.h and start our program. Syntax of assigning string is char string name pairs of big bracket in which size of the string. In this we are not going to give size and we will give equals symbol, and in the pairs of double quotes we will write some characters. For printing string we will use default that we are using. Our program completed. Let's compile and run so as you can see the output.